Do you message people on Twitter yeah, and you find out people are responsive typically?
Yes, I seek interviews and quotes via direct messaging all the time. A lot of people, you can only message them if they're following you. Okay. And so you can, if you're both following each other, then it's like, an instant messaging platform. And you have to be careful because there have been people who've accidentally put on their Twitter feed some direct messages, and then there's been some consequences for that.
Yeah.
And that can especially happen when you're trying to use the cell phones and text messaging to answer somebody on Twitter. So be careful about that. But direct messaging is a great way to contact people. Some people are open to receiving direct messages from anyone.
Oh, I see. You can make your settings.
Yes, that's one of the options you have in your Twitter settings.
And do you use your phone? What proportion do you use your phone and your desktop?
Well, it depends on where I'm sitting. When I'm in a stationary position, like here at the White House, then I'm using the laptop. But I also, when I'm outside, I'm tweeting, and then I have a third screen here to just monitor particular feeds as well. So if you look on my pinned tweet, it'll show you the three different devices sometimes I'm using simultaneously.
That's how you get 100 out at once.
I'm a bit obsessed. I'm not a normal person.